Today we will be making lemon meringue cheesecake. This is what we will need: a lemon, digestive biscuits, cream cheese, vanilla extract. Let's go to the next side. Eggs, double cream, lemon curd, and butter, and caster sugar. Don't forget that. Next thing, you're going to blend or crush your biscuits and make sure you don't have big pieces. Next, you want to put melted butter, very melted, and then get your spatula and mix it, just like always. Okay, when you done with that, you're supposed to put some in a tin, or just put all of them in the tin, flatten them out. Make sure there's no gaps and make sure it's even. Next thing you want to do is put the cream cheese inside. Make sure to put 2 packets, but we just did 2.5 because we had family. And then caster sugar, we put that in next. Make sure you get all the caster sugar. And then put vanilla extract and lemon juice and lemon zest from the lemon. Make sure to mix it. Make sure to have an adult with you to hold the bowl if you're a kid. Once you have mixed it, you put 1, 2, 3 eggs inside. Next, you want to mix it. Mixing. Make sure there's no egg that's not mixed. Keep on mixing. Next, when you have it like that, you pour it inside that tin where you flattened your biscuits. Make sure to put all of that inside. Next, you want to put it in the oven. That's good now. And make sure to have an adult to help you put it in the oven. Next, you want to mix your lemon curd and put it on your cheesecake when it's ready and cool down. Next, you want to spread it with a knife, or you can use fork, spoon, anything you want. And my sister is doing the sides for me as well, again. So yes, spread it around to the side and make sure to not break anything. Next, you need to mix the meringue. To make meringue, you need egg white and caster sugar. And then keep on mixing until you get something like this. Next, you want to put that meringue on there and then basically spread it out everywhere. And make sure there's no holes. And then you can make a shape, you can make it flat, you can do anything. But we're going to make it into a pokey shape. So then, when you're done with that, they're putting more. Once you're done with that, put it in the oven. And after a few minutes, you would get this. Ta-da! Yes, I know it looks so bent, but trust me, it's nice. Ooh, look at that slice. You can see the biscuits crumbling. That is a nice piece, to be honest. If you want to get that, you make sure you make this. Okay, thank you. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. This is how you make a cheesecake. Okay, bye.